The Configure Floorplan tool as part of the Construction Tools Toolbox makes easy work of setting the scale of a floor plan. To begin, click Add Floorplan Image and load a floor plan. Adjust the size of the red box to match the size of a known dimensional area of the floor plan. Be sure the red box matches either a square or rectangle in shape. Enter the known dimensional values. Click Adjust Floor Plan. Use the green box to verify scale of floor plan. When making an adjustment, it is required to select the floor plan and then click Reset Backdrop. When making adjustment to the known dimensions only, simply change the values and click Adjust Floor Plan. Use this tool to speed up your workflow.